Hello everybody, welcome to HD Interiors. Today, we're diving into the world of modern marble staircase designs, perfect for adding a touch of luxury to your home. Marble staircases are more than just a way to get from one floor to another, they are a statement piece that can elevate the entire look and feel of your home. In this video, we'll explore some stunning design ideas that combine elegance, functionality, and the timeless beauty of marble. Whether you're looking for inspiration for a new build or a remodel, we've got you covered. So, let's get started and discover the breathtaking possibilities of marble staircases. Why marble? Marble has long been celebrated for its unmatched elegance and durability, making it a favorite choice for luxury homes. One of the most appealing aspects of marble is its timeless beauty. With its natural veining and rich textures, no two pieces are ever the same, offering a unique and sophisticated look. Let's talk about the different types of marble you can choose from. Carrara marble, with its soft gray tones and delicate veining, offers a classic and refined look. On the other hand, Calcutta marble is known for its bold, dramatic veining and a brighter white background, perfect for making a statement. Emperador marble, with its deep brown color and light veining, brings warmth and richness to any design. Marble is not only aesthetically pleasing but also incredibly durable. It can withstand high foot traffic, making it an ideal material for staircases. Plus, its natural cooling properties make it a great choice for warmer climates, helping to keep your home comfortable. So, why is marble such a popular choice for luxury homes? It's all about that perfect combination of beauty, strength, and uniqueness. Whether you're aiming for a modern, minimalist look or a grand, opulent design, marble can help you achieve your vision while adding a touch of timeless elegance to your home. Now, let's dive into some stunning marble staircase designs that can transform your home into a luxurious haven. First up, we have the spiral marble staircase. These designs are the epitome of elegance and are perfect for making a dramatic statement in any space. Their curved lines create a sense of fluidity and movement, making them not just a functional element but also a piece of art. Imagine ascending a beautifully crafted spiral staircase with intricate railings or sleek glass panels, creating a seamless blend of modern and classic styles. Next, we have floating marble staircases, a favorite in contemporary home designs. These staircases appear to defy gravity, with each step seemingly suspended in mid-air. The minimalist design focuses on clean lines and open spaces, making the room feel larger and more open. Pairing marble steps with hidden supports and subtle lighting can enhance the floating effect, giving your home a futuristic yet sophisticated vibe. For those with ample space and a desire to make a grand impression, the double marble staircase is an excellent choice. Perfect for large foyers or entrance halls, these staircases exude opulence and grandeur. Picture a sweeping double staircase with luxurious marble steps, perhaps accented with ornate railings and dramatic lighting. It's the perfect centerpiece for a home that wants to impress from the moment you walk in the door. Combining marble with other materials like metal or wood can create unique and eye-catching designs. For instance, marble steps with sleek metal railings offer a modern, industrial look, while adding wooden accents can introduce warmth and contrast. These combinations allow you to play with different textures and styles, creating a staircase that truly reflects your personal taste and complements the rest of your home's decor. Each of these designs showcases the versatility and timeless appeal of marble, demonstrating that whether you prefer a classic, contemporary, or eclectic look, there's a marble staircase designed to match. When it comes to marble staircases, customization allows you to create a unique design that perfectly suits your home. Here are some ideas to personalize your marble staircase: color variations and patterns. Choose from a variety of marble colors and patterns. Mix different types to create contrast or highlight architectural features. Enhance your staircase with understep lighting, LED strips, or recessed lights to highlight the marble's natural beauty and ensure safety. Select custom-made railings that complement the marble. Glass railings offer a sleek look, while wrought iron or stainless steel railings add a touch of vintage charm or modern elegance. Incorporate mosaic inlays, custom engravings, or decorative items like plants and sculptures to make your staircase a true reflection of your style. By thoughtfully selecting these elements, you can transform your marble staircase into a stunning centerpiece that enhances the luxurious feel of your home. Let's go over some practical tips for maintaining and enhancing your marble staircase. Regularly use a pH-neutral cleaner and clean up spills immediately to prevent stains. Seal the marble periodically to protect it from moisture and scratches. Apply a non-slip treatment or add textured mats to the steps to prevent slips, especially for children or elderly family members. Marble staircases are an investment. Plan your budget carefully, considering the type of marble and additional features like custom railings or lighting. Get quotes from multiple suppliers and contractors for the best value. Hire experienced contractors who specialize in marble installations to ensure quality and durability. Professionals can also offer design suggestions and practical advice. By following these tips, you can maintain the elegance and functionality of your marble staircase, keeping it a stunning focal point in your home for years to come. Marble staircases offer timeless beauty and durability, making them a perfect choice for adding elegance to any home. We explored various design inspirations, including spiral staircases for a dramatic statement, floating staircases for a modern touch, grand double staircases for opulent spaces, and combinations of marble with metal or wood for unique aesthetics. Customization allows you to tailor your staircase to your style, with options like different marble colors and patterns, integrated lighting, artistic railings, and decorative elements. Practical tips for maintenance, safety, budgeting, and working with professionals ensure your marble staircase remains a stunning focal point. Thank you for joining us on this journey through modern marble staircase design ideas. We hope you found inspiration and practical advice to create your dream staircase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more luxury home decor ideas. See you in the next video.